Well, entrepreneurship is a way of life. I've been a serial entrepreneur since many years ago, and this is my sixth company that I founded in the life science field. So for me, it's amazing to make companies, to create companies and make them grow. Now I am the CEO of MiWEndo Solutions. At MiWEndo Solutions, we are developing a new medical device for diagnosing colorectal cancer. Some years ago, the researchers from the University Pompeu Fabra, Universitat Politècnica de Catalunya and Hospital Clínic came with this idea, with this patented device, to look for a new CEO for their initiative. And that's how I got involved in this new project. The idea was created by, as I said before, by a group of researchers in the university here in Barcelona, and the idea was created like 3 years ago. So then the researchers patented the technology, and then I jumped into the project to start up the company and make it grow. The team has been growing quite a lot during the last months. At the really beginning, the team was given by the university, was the team of researchers that created the company and the technology. And now I've been growing the team according to the needs that we are facing in every stage of the company. Well, actually, the most important decision I took in the company was to jump in this amazing startup, right? Because I had at the beginning several opportunities, and I had to decide among several. And I think that I'm completely convinced that MiWEndo was my best choice at that time. The best advice I have ever been given is to invest less in furniture and invest more in lawyers. Investing in lawyers, especially at the really beginning of the company, is very important to set up all the shareholder agreements that one needs to have in place for the correct development of the company. The advice I always say to new entrepreneurs is the same advice that was given at the really beginning, and it helped me a lot to invest more in lawyers and less in fancy furniture and things like this. So especially it's very important for new entrepreneurs to work a lot in the shareholder agreement. This is very important to ensure the correct development of the company. The three things I learned in this journey is, first of all, when you are starting a new project, is to have the best team. Second, to have in place, as I said before, the shareholders agreement. And the third thing is to be very aware and very honest about the market that this idea may have in the future. I think everyone would like have known before starting the project nowadays is that COVID was going to come, right? So if I knew that COVID was going to come, then my planification would have been very differently. Our milestones in the short term is to start our clinical stage. We are planning to start our clinical stage with our first patients in the next months. So this is our main milestone that we have to achieve.